This is letter A. Repeat after me.
A, I am the letter A, and I make the sound ah.
A for alligator.
I am alligator. My teeth are sharp. Stay away from me. I am very aggressive.
This is letter B. B for bee.
I am bee. I produce honey.
This is letter B. B for bear. This is letter C. C for cow. I am cow, and I produce milk. This is letter D. D for dolphin.
I am Dolphin. I am your lovely friend.
This is letter E. E for eagle. I hope you guys understood this letter.
I am eagle, and I fast, fearless, fly high, have sharp vision, and aggressive in nature.
This is letter F. F for ferret. I hope you guys understood this letter.
I am Ferret, and I live in tunnels, cozy and dark sleeping areas.
This is letter G. G for gorilla.
I am gorilla. Never underestimate my power and aggressiveness.
This is letter H. H for horse.
I am a horse. I run very fast, and I am also loyal to my owner.
This is letter I. I for iguana. I hope you guys understood this letter.
I am iguana, and I live high in the tree canopy near water sources like rivers or lakes.
This is letter J. J for jellyfish. This is letter K. K for kangaroo.
I am kangaroo. I cannot talk right now. I am a little jumpy today.
This is letter L. L for lion.
I am lion, and I am the king of the jungle.
This is letter M. M for monkey. I hope you guys understood this letter. Try to remember it in your mind. This is letter N. N for needlefish.
I am needlefish. I have very high speed in seawater.
This is letter O. O for octopus.
I am octopus. I live in deep sea water.
This is letter P. P for penguin.
I am penguin, and I like to live in icy cold or either near coastline of seawater.
This is letter Q. Q for quail.
I am quail. I have sweet and pleasant sound.
I hope you guys understood this letter. Try to remember it in your mind. This is letter R. R for rabbit.
Rabbit, I run very fast.
This is letter S. S for scorpion.
I am Scorpion. Stay away from me. My tail has dangerous poison.
This is letter T. T for tortoise.
I am Tortoise. I walk too much slow. I protect myself in my shield.
This is letter U. U for umbrella.
I am Umbrella and people use me when it rains.
This is letter V. V for vulture.
I am Vulture. I work on disposing of decaying dead bodies.
This is letter W. W for wolf.
I am Wolf. I am super intelligent than dogs.
This is letter X. X for xylophone. This is letter Y. Y for yak.
I am Yak. I am not aggressive. I live in extreme cold areas.
This is letter Z. Z for zebra. I hope you guys understood this letter. Try to remember it in your mind.